Yung mga batang adik sa Jollibee, guys. Ayan. Wala pang supply yan. Ha? Sige, bida lang ba? Oh, ayun, isa pang mabubudol. Oh, let's go. Come now. Hurry up. Hoy. Come now. You eat at shop. Okay, that is, you have to share. Hey, what is the ice cream? Yeah, have.
Do ice cream for Papa?
Yeah, para sa bata. Ikaw, bata ka man. Sana yun. Hawakan mo muna. Ayusin mo. Huwag mo pagalaw-galaw yung sobrang-galaw.
Alright, give me some beshi. Ay, Mama, I'm not sharing.
Ikaw na.
Pero pwede. Okay, I will not drop it. Promise.
Hi guys, kami na kami guys.
They will think I'm the mother. I'm really the child.
Bili na kami ng Jollibee guys. Piso-piso yung pila namin guys.
So na-count nila.
Wala kami pila guys. Coins lang guys.
Piso-piso lang.
Piso-piso lang.
Piso.
Kanya kami katipid guys. Masyadong matipid na yun.
Look at the beautiful sun. The sun. Yeah, you don't see it. We're here! Tandong ng nakakal. We are here! Oh my God. Assalamualaikum. Ah!